How do I connect the Element remote to my TV?
Hello and welcome to our video. Today, we'll be showing you how to connect your Element remote to your TV. This is a relatively easy process, and in just a few minutes, you'll have your Element remote working seamlessly with your TV.
Understanding your Element remote.
Before we dive in, let's understand a bit about the Element remote. It's designed to be compatible with Element TV and also has universal remote capabilities, meaning you can use it to control multiple devices.
Checking your TV model.
Before attempting to connect, ensure that your TV is an Element model. The remote may not work with TVs from different manufacturers. Check the model of your TV by looking at the label usually located at the back or bottom of your TV.
Locating the remote code.
The key to connecting your Element remote to your TV is finding the correct remote code. This remote code is specific to Element TVs, and you'll usually find it in the user manual that comes with your remote. If you don't have a manual, you can search online for Element TV remote codes to find a suitable code. Write down the code as you'll need it in the next step.
Entering the remote code.
Now that you have the remote code, you'll need to enter it into the Element remote. Here's how to do that. 1. Turn on your Element TV. Make sure it's plugged in and that the power indicator is on. 2. On your Element remote, press and hold the TV button. It's typically at the top of the remote. 3. While still holding the TV button, enter the remote code you found earlier. This is typically a 4-digit number. 4. Once you've entered the code, release the TV button. 5. Test the remote. Try pressing the volume up and down buttons, or the channel up and down buttons. If the TV responds, congratulations! You've successfully connected your Element remote to your TV. If it doesn't respond, try the process again with a different remote code. That's it. You have now successfully connected your Element remote to your TV. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, the key to this process is finding and correctly entering the right remote code for your TV. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Element TV.